You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An expression from French. If you want to learn more French cuisine vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. In French in France, it is said as amuse bouche. Amuse is to have fun, essentially, just to almost like to amuse, really. Bouche is French for mouth, so that's something that amuses or makes your mouth amused or having fun, essentially. So something that it's a starter that excites your palate and your senses. Amuse bouche, or in English, amuse bouche or amuse bouche. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.